So what we want to do is have a sequence of emails, and we could make them a day apart, 3 days apart. They don't have to be all the same time apart from each other. You could make one get sent on the first day, the same day that people sign up for your email sequence, and then you might wait another 2 days or another 3 days and so on. You've got all of these different options. So let's just go back to look at the content series that we're going to create. So we're going to identify the problem, paint the dream, what do they need to start, and then how do they take action. So this first one is going to be, and then we're going to get down to the actual body of the email. I'm just going to delete all of that at the moment. And I won't even personalize this. I just want to make this as simple as possible. And so I'm going to say, hi there. You're about to see just how easy it is to create an email sequence in ConvertKit. And then I can speak about the benefit. And then I'm going to remind them that this is not too hard. I've already created a video showing how to outline this sequence. So what I'd like to do is include a link to that video here. So I'm going to click Save All. Now notice that this has already changed the name of the email series. I need to set this to send immediately. What about the next email? We don't want to send 5 emails to them all at once, right? So what we're going to do is add that second email now. And by default, it's going to happen 1 day after the first email. So I've already identified the problem, which is not having an email list. Not having a way of keeping in touch with people. And I've painted the dream. Imagine having this email list that you can contact people. They are expecting to hear from you and they're happy to hear from you. And I'm showing them that it's more achievable than they thought. What do they need to start? They need these tools and they need to watch my video. So I've already ticked off these 3 boxes. And how do they take action? Now in this one, I'm just going to remind them that once they have a clear idea, you're ready to start building your email series. And the video that I'm asking them to watch is the one that you're watching right now. Now, how do I insert the video here? I just go, I have that video up on my YouTube channel. And so I am going to go + here and I'm going to insert the video. And that's where I can paste the link to my YouTube video. I can also put in other things such as dividers, just to break up the text a little bit. I can include some images, even have a file or a button. That's going to be very useful if I want people to take some action at the end of the email series. I've already got my first email here. The second one is, have you signed up to ConvertKit? Now I'm going to give them a couple of days to do that sign up, because by the time they sign up and they get a little bit stuck, in fact I might even ask I might actually change this to send this one 2 days later. And then I'm going to ask them, what are you going to send? So I'm going to So at this point, I'm going to give them a screenshot of this, give them an image of this page so that they can work out, well, what problem is it that I'm really solving and who is that for? And why do they care? Let me paint that dream. What do I need to do to start? So I'll insert that image here. I am making these emails bite-sized, very small, often because people are busy. They're more likely to be reading these emails on their mobile phone. And in reality, people are slow on the whole these days to take action. They're gathering more information. And what I really want to do, what I really want to achieve from this is to get them to execute, to take action here. And so I'm going to add in my fourth message here. And this one is asking them to send their first draft message to me. So that's this one here. And what I'm really doing here is getting the reader to get back to actually taking action. If they do nothing else than create the email sequence and then write their first draft email and then procrastinate, but if they send me that email, then I can help them along. That's pretty much it for the moment. What I need to do is I will need to change each of these to active. I could do a whole lot more with these emails. I could personalize them and I could really enhance them. I could format them, but I really wanted to get the basics out of the way. So now once we've done that, we have a couple of things that we need to do, which is actually how do people get onto this email list so that they can start seeing the emails. And we're going to do that through either a landing page or a form. I'm going to show you that in the next video.